The wait is finally over. Mazda's 2026 lineup brings performance and luxury together like never before. Number 7. 2026 Mazda 3. The 2026 Mazda 3 continues to impress with its sharp design, refined interior, and engaging driving feel. Available as a sedan or hatchback, it brings a premium vibe at a mainstream price. Power options include a 2.5-liter engine with 186 horsepower and a turbocharged 2.5-liter delivering 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 6-speed automatic or manual, it offers optional all-wheel drive and some of the sharpest handling in its class. Price range: $25,785 to $37,975. Fuel economy: 27 miles per gallon city and 36 miles per gallon highway. Inside, the Mazda 3 offers a clean, upscale cabin with available leather upholstery, premium audio, and intuitive infotainment. Rear seat space is modest but well finished. Standard iActive Sense safety tech includes automatic braking, lane keeping, and blind spot monitoring. Number 6. 2026 Mazda CX-5. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 debuts a major redesign, larger, more refined and tech-forward, while still preserving Mazda's signature driving feel and premium design approach. Power comes from a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 187 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. The focus is on smooth, controlled performance as Mazda phases out the turbo for now, with a hybrid expected in 2027. Price range: $31,000 to $37,000. Fuel economy: 26 miles per gallon city and 31 miles per gallon highway. Inside, you get a cleaner layout with a 12.9-inch touchscreen, optional 15.6-inch display, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium trims add finer materials, upgraded audio, and advanced driver assist safety tech as standard. Number 5. 2026 Mazda CX-30. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 blends premium style, agile handling, and standard all-wheel drive in a compact SUV package, though it remains tighter inside than some rivals. Power comes from a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 186 horsepower, or an optional turbocharged version delivering up to 250. A 6-speed automatic and all-wheel drive come standard. The CX-30 feels sporty and refined, though rear seat and cargo space remain modest. Price range: $26,690 to $38,645. Fuel economy: 24 miles per gallon city and 31 miles per gallon highway. New for 2026 is the Air Edition, featuring blacked-out accents, a light interior, and upgraded dampers for a smoother ride. A brake-based limited-slip differential is now standard across all trims. Inside, it delivers an upscale cabin with quality materials and intuitive tech. Safety remains strong, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. Number 4. 2026 Mazda MX-5 Miata. The 2026 Mazda MX-5 Miata stays true to its lightweight rear-wheel drive roots, a pure driver's car that prioritizes balance and fun over brute power. It remains one of the most engaging and affordable sports cars on the market. Expected in 2026, a mild hybrid upgrade joins the 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, boosting efficiency without losing its quick, agile character. Rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual remain at its core, with an automatic available as an option. Starting price around $31,000. Fuel economy: 26 miles per gallon city and 34 miles per gallon highway. Inside, the Miata keeps things simple and driver-focused. offering a snug two-seat cabin, responsive controls, and minimal distractions. Safety tech like lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking are expected standard, along with an intuitive infotainment display. Number 3. 2026 Mazda CX-50. The 2026 Mazda CX-50 blends sporty performance with upscale comfort, offering standard all-wheel drive and premium interior quality that rivals luxury crossovers. It remains one of the most driver-focused SUVs in its class. The base 2.5-liter four-cylinder delivers 187 horsepower and 185 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive. Buyers can step up to a turbocharged 2.5-liter with up to 256 horsepower, or choose a hybrid version that produces 219 horsepower and returns about 38 miles per gallon combined. Price range: $29,900 to $42,900. Fuel economy: 24 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway. Inside, it offers a refined cabin with quality materials, wireless smartphone integration, and strong safety tech via Mazda's iActiveSense suite. Higher trims add ventilated leather seats, Bose audio, and new blacked-out Meridian Edition styling. Number 2. 2026 Mazda CX-70. The 2026 Mazda CX-70 blends premium comfort with sporty handling, offering strong engines, upscale materials, and refined design. Positioned just below luxury SUVs while maintaining Mazda's engaging drive feel. Two powertrains are offered: a 3.3-liter turbocharged inline 6-mild hybrid producing 280 to 340 horsepower, and a 2.5-liter plug-in hybrid with 323 horsepower and about 30 miles of electric-only range. Both feature standard all-wheel drive and a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. Price range: $43,780 to $58,200. Fuel economy: 24 miles per gallon city and 29 miles per gallon highway. The cabin delivers luxury-like quality with large infotainment displays, ventilated seats, premium audio, and added 2026 upgrades like heated rears, a heated steering wheel, and blacked-out exterior accents. Number 1. 2026 Mazda CX-90. The 2026 Mazda CX-90 elevates the three-row SUV game with luxury-grade materials, strong powertrains, and composed handling, all while undercutting premium rivals on price. It's a family SUV that feels genuinely upscale to drive. Power comes from a 3.3-liter turbocharged inline-6 with mild hybrid assist, delivering 280 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. Turbo S trims raise output to 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet, paired with an 8-speed automatic and standard all-wheel drive for confident, refined performance. Price range: $43,780 to $58,200. Fuel economy: 23 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway. Inside, the CX-90 offers seating for up to 8 with premium leather, large touchscreen infotainment, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced safety tech. Higher trims add luxury finishes, head-up display, and 360-degree cameras. Which one deserved the spotlight this year? Your next dream Mazda might just be on this list.